Culture camps are a really intense 2-day training program with doctors and their teams. Intense in a positive way. We spend the first day as observation for obstacles and opportunities. Obstacles that get in the way and opportunities to grow. And we spend the evenings in leadership meetings talking about strategies for moving the practice forward, as well as leadership struggles that get in the way. Not every dentist signed up to be a leader, and yet here they are. So we spend a lot of time in the evenings on the leadership aspect. And then the second day is actually the culture camp day itself, where we meet as a team and we start out with the 4 core words that the doctor comes up with for foundation words for the practice, and build around that. What do we need to do to be able to create that in the culture consistently? And each practice has its own flavor depending upon the direction that the doctors or leadership team wants to take it. Culture camp is really a co-creation. I don't come in with a set of rules or standards that you need to follow. It really is about creating what you want in your culture as a team. And each team is very different based on the players on their team. So it's really an empowering and an inspiring couple days, because we're creating together what you want your future to look like. I find that culture camps are very effective because it's not something cookie cutter for every practice. It is individualized to the specific team. Past culture camp clients have been very happy with, they have a very clear focus on their leadership and what they want to attain in their practice. The entire team is very clear also about what are priorities, because they define their core values and what they want in their practice. So it really is a way to get the team very focused, very engaged, and very empowered to take that practice to the next level. It's very important that we create a set of benchmarks for the team and the doctor to know when they're succeeding and when they're not. So we have trackable, measurable benchmarks. There's personal commitment from each team member about what will impact the practice the most. Things to start doing, things to stop doing. We also learn how to communicate more effectively with different and even difficult personalities. We learn how to build a culture based on trust and respect, and how to get rid of some of the gossip and drama and conflict that plagues many of the practices today. You know, dentistry, it's interesting that doctors go to school to be a dentist, not to be a business owner, and yet they're thrown into the position of being a business owner. So for me, it's really about helping doctors take on that leadership role and creating the culture that they want in their practice. It really is an amazing launching pad, the culture camp, to create what it is that they want. I love culture camps because they allow me to really go deep with a team and help them get to the obstacles that are getting in their way of success. And it really becomes like a family. You know, I always joke around that I collect dentists and their teams, but you become very close to the teams that you work with, and it really is an opportunity to help them uncover the things that get in their way and help lift them up to be the best that they can be. So a culture camp is not only inspiring and empowering for the team and the doctor, it's also inspiring to myself as well.